Deploying RDS host services and installing the Horizon agent. Let's get started. I'm logged into the machine. Run the setup. Next, RDS mode, not desktop mode. If you select desktop mode, it should be a single assignment, not the shared desktop. Okay, so it should be RDS mode. Okay, next. Yeah, so it will install the role which is required, RDS remote desktop services, and once the roles would install, then we can install the agent. Finish, restart. Yeah. Now this time we are installing agent. We already have the setup file in new folder. Run the setup file. Next, IP version 4. Instant clone agent not required. Next, you need to give the connection server name. That is WinSVR01. FQDN name of my connection server. Say next. Automatic restart. Install. Go to control panel. That is appvis.cpl. I can see we are good to go with the next step. Thank you very much. Let's see you next video.